next to you. Only wake up if I'm next to you. You extra too. I still slide with some extra too. X and O's, trying to stay on my P's and Q's. Need my boo. When I get low, she gon' see me through. Pedestal, I put you on a pedestal. Edible, I need you like my vegetables. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you can stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you can stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Next to you, only wake up.
This is the finished product. I wish you guys can really see that paint. Even in the black, it has a pearl in there as well. Chrome pearl. Silver pearl, I think is what they call it. It's a spastic color. For you guys that have been keeping up with my Instagram, you know what body that is. I wish I had more time to go over this thing a little bit more, but we'll have a ton of videos coming. Came out pretty good. And I'll show you guys what's the pros of using this body versus not using this body. And the cons, because it is one con, maybe two. I think it came out pretty good. I should have used my other camera, guys, so I can get you a whole lot more detail on that paint. Hopefully we don't rough this thing up too bad, because I am on my way to go and crawl now. I'm about to meet the guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned for more updates on this vehicle. So next time, guys, thanks for watching.
My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really